Here we got a 1950 Cadillac, and you can see why they were top of the line back then. The wide white walls, true spoke wheels. I think those are true spoke wheels. Drum brakes, of course, and it's open type, no post, not a sedan. Coupe, two-door coupe. Automatic transmission, lots of room. Looks like probably leather interior too. So you notice the vent windows also got the window cranks on them too. And you got your fold-down armrest in the middle back there, which is great. Yeah. Plenty of room in this puppy, man. Plenty of room in here. You notice the handbrake? Emergency brake, whatever you call it. Called it a handbrake back then, right? So. This looks like a pretty much all original car too. Good to go. Good to go. That's one big massive amount of steel for sure.